Hyderabad, a city where history whispers through its monuments and the future hums in its tech corridors. In this hub of ambition, innovation thrives and transformation begins. Amidst this vibrant energy stands an institution that shapes the leaders of tomorrow, the IIRM, Emerging Institute of National Importance.
Each step onto the campus carries a story, a dream awaiting to unfold. Most students are unaware about their potential, their strengths, and the real-world challenges that lie ahead.
What is unique to IIRM's foundation is that it was conceived and promoted by the insurance regulator and the Telangana state government almost 2 decades ago, and we have come of age since then.
In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, learning never stops. Our executive education programs focus on reskilling and upskilling professionals, ensuring they remain future ready in a dynamic industry.
Risk management is assuming new importance because of the innovations that are coming up in the technology areas.
IIRM is India's only institute focused exclusively on risk management.
Our mission is simple yet profound: to create professionals who just don't adapt to the change but lead it.
Since its inception, IIRM has been a powerhouse of transformation, blending academic excellence with real-world readiness. IIRM's flagship PGDM and PG DAS programs blend theoretical depth with real-world applications, empowering students and professionals alike to navigate dynamic markets with confidence and innovation.
Every experience at IIRM has shaped me by providing practical knowledge and has given me real-life insights. By understanding this, I got to know that I have really good potential and has given me guidance throughout the life.
With a focus on agility, innovation, and market intelligence, IIRM doesn't just place students, it positions them for success.
Our placements reflect our philosophy, empowering students to lead, innovate, and strive in industries demanding excellence.
IIRM is more than an institution. It's a launchpad for future visionaries, a hub for career transformation.
Apart from academics, we have a lot of cultural, intellectual activities. Our students, every year, only students organize the annual insurance conference, risk conference in our institute, and they also take part in various other international competitions. For example, the Spencer's Challenge in San Diego last year. The IIRM team was India's first team to win such a highly competitive event, and this year also we have made it already to the top 8. So that way, holistic development is the main objective of our student development.
IIRM, creating leaders, augmenting industry needs.
IIRM is incredibly supportive. The faculty ensures that students understand every detail that matter, especially in the real-world industry landscape.
It is equipped with extensive library, separate hostels for boys and girls, a hygienic canteen, and excellent sports facilities. We don't just create graduates, we create leaders, strategists, and innovators. From imagination to innovation, from learning to leadership, IIRM is empowering leaders of tomorrow and reiterating excellence. IIRM, creating leaders, augmenting industry needs.